What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have a price update, price prediction on this crypto called Hifi Finance, also known as MFT, which has been pumping over 50% in value in the last 24 hours, making it 0.006939. So what is going on with this crypto? Is it time to buy it? Is it too late? Should you sell it? Should you hold on to it? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video, and looking at is it a crypto worth investing into, and also covering both buyers and sellers point of view, and obviously as usual looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months and overall in 2022, looking at how high or how low Hifi Finance can go, and looking at its potential as well. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking on the Coinbase website, and as you can see here, the market is just about 1% up, and we have loaded up the Hifi Finance. So in the last hour itself, managed to gain just about 3% in value. Over the last day, 52%, over the week 49%, and over the month 55% up. As you can see, most of the month it was slowly and steadily increasing in value at a very small pace, but out of nowhere earlier this morning this decided to pump up in value and go up about over 50% in value. So going into the coin market cap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a massive 11,500% up in the last 24 hours, making nearly $500 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on MFT. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general just a lot of people trading the crypto, as it's been getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype, and obviously the way it's gone up at the moment, we are going to see a lot of people investing into it as well. And obviously those who did invest into it earlier on, whenever it was, they may be selling it on a profit and reinvesting whenever it drops back down. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis, but for now I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got this purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, currently valuing Hifi Finance at 0.004. However, it is trading at 0.006, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we can see that it was going in a bullish direction, and right now it has started to slightly drop in value, and that is always expected. And obviously if you guys do watch my videos, you would know that I've always said this: whenever you see a crypto doing a huge percentage increase in a short amount of time, exactly like what's happened here, the crypto has to take a little breather, it has to take a little step back, and the exact same applies to MFT. So I'm expecting it to drop down in value over the coming hours. So by midday tomorrow we should be at a slightly lower value than what it's worth at the moment, potentially heading around 0.0055 to 0.006. somewhere in between here is where I'm expecting it to trade. Again, we may see a pump even further on over the next couple of hours, but I am expecting it to dip as well. It's going to be volatile, it's going to be up and down, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? Again, we're not looking positive at all. We've got the orange line looking just about flat out, going in a straight line, and the blue line is clearly looking negative, going in a negative direction, looking quite bearish. So an overall decrease in value is again expected over the coming days. So over the next 7-8 days, so by mid next week, we should once again be at a slightly lower value than what it's worth at the moment. So again, more drops are on the way over the coming days as well, but that does not mean we're going to be hitting red candles consistently for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are going to have days when it's green, days when it's red, up and down, but the overall outcome is all that matters, and at this point it seems to be more on the negative side. Now, moving on to the big boy daily chart, what can we see here? Again, we've got the blue line looking bullish, looking quite positive, and again it is looking quite steep as well. And the only reason for that is the major increase that's taken place today has moved the graph into a positive direction, which is not realistic at all, because it's only based on what's happened in the last 24 hours. And yeah, I'm not expecting it to increase in value over the long run either. Again, not at that pace anyway. Even if it does increase in value, it's going to be at a slow and steady pace. So yeah, I'm expecting it to drop down in value over the next week to 2 weeks, and then hopefully we should see a slowly and steadily gain in value at a very steady pace. It's not going to be a major increase out of nowhere like what's happened today, because if it is like what's happened today, a major increase, more or less is very likely that it's going to straight away drop back down in value. So yeah, these are my predictions on Hifi Finance, guys. However, this will get affected if there are any major crashes, major, bull runs or price bumps that are not expected. And obviously Bitcoin has control on the crypto market. It's pumping today. Most cryptos are green. Yesterday was down and most cryptos were down as well. So more or less whatever happens to Bitcoin, most cryptos will follow a similar pattern. So what I have done for you guys is created a Telegram group chat where I'll be showing you guys daily price updates and predictions on Bitcoin, on what to expect, what to predict, what price target is likely to hit on a daily basis, and also show you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. So if you guys want to get involved, the link to my Telegram will be in the description box down below. It is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this discount code here is only valid for the first 100 members that join, guys, and after that it will increase to $29.99, but over half the spaces have already gone, so there is literally a limited amount of space left before this discount code expires. So what does this subscription exactly include? So you're going to get put into 2 group chats. The first one is where I'm showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. The second one is just a general chat where you guys can ask questions, discuss cryptocurrencies, new projects, and that is also where I'll be showing you guys daily price updates and predictions on Bitcoin, what to expect, what to predict. As you guys can clearly see an example here, obviously this was in late May when Bitcoin was trading at 29k, and I give you guys analysis and predictions on other cryptos that you guys request for in the group chat. But yeah, any questions, any queries you guys may have before you sign up, simply send me a DM on Instagram. If not, as I mentioned earlier, the link to my Telegram will be in the description box down below. And now back to MFT. So let me just quickly draw its Fibonacci scale just to show you guys what to expect, where we are at the moment. And yes, we are in the red zone, and yes, we nearly hit the green zone earlier on today, as you can see, but it has resisted and dropped back down in value, and that is exactly what I did predict. So I'm expecting it to drop down even further back into the red zone, and for us to hit the green zone, yeah, I'm not expecting it anytime soon. Even if it does hit the green zone, more or less it is likely it's going to straight away drop back down to the red zone. So yeah, over the next 2 to 3 months or most of this year, I am expecting us to stay in the red zone. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Hifi Finance, guys. Let me know what your expectations and what your predictions are, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. So comment down below and I'll be reacting to your comments in my next Hifi Finance update. And on that note, guys, I'm going to end the video here. Thank you for watching, and a special thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me as I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. But yeah, thank you for watching, guys, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.